I am, boy, is it pouring out here. I just can't believe that it's raining so hard. I was out earlier this morning for a ride, and it wasn't nearly as hard as this is. Just heading up the street, going to the liquor store just to get a bag of dry dog food for my dog. Although I don't really have to go right now. I guess I just wanted an excuse to get back on the bike. I like riding in the rain. What I don't like is riding when there's a strong wind or it's really cold. But I'm okay with this. Heading up to Jefferson now, making a left and heading west. The store's only like, a couple blocks up, so that's not a big deal. Not a lot of cars on the street, or people, which doesn't surprise me. I mean, who wants to be out in the rain like this? And right now, it's pretty heavy. Okay, just about at the store. Now I'm on my way back home. Not only did I get the dog food, I got my cupcakes and Lay's potato chips, a little milk for my coffee, and I think I got something else, a couple of cigars, I think. That's pretty much it. Like I said, I really didn't need to go anyway. I just, like I said, it rains so infrequently, and I just wanted just to get out on the bike. The only problem with this bike, though, when it gets wet, unless it gets really saturated wet, the brakes tend to squeal. That's the only time. And I'm not on my road bike just due to the fact that I don't trust it. It's got the skinny tires, very little tread, it's designed to going fast. And I keep saying I'm going to change the tires on it, but I haven't ridden it that much, so I was going to change the tires once I wore them out, but I probably put at least 15,000 miles on this bike. Although I've had it quite a few years, and the other bike, I haven't even had it a year, and I probably put less than 500 miles on it. But back home,